Use only 3 minutes to make milk tea. First, melt a little bit brown sugar in a pot. Put some tea leaves. You can also use the tea bag as well. Stir the tea for a few seconds. Add some water. Boil it until it bubbles. Then pour the milk into them. Then boil for another 1 or 2 minutes. Strain the mixture. And then we got the delicious milk tea. If you are a boba person, let's make the boba or pearls together. Step 1. Prepare some tapioca flour. Add some brown sugar. If you want the pearls to be black, use black sugar instead. And the more sugar you put, the darker the pearls will be. Pour a little bit hot water into it. Step 2. Mix them and then make a dough. Knead the dough and flatten it. Step 3. Then we cut the dough into small pieces. Rub them with our palms and make small globes. Step 4. Put them back into the bowl. Add some tapioca flour and shake it constantly to make sure the pearls is covered with flour and they don't stick to each other. Then sift it to get rid of the extra flour, very important. Step 5. Do not directly pour the pearls into the pot. Scoop them out into the pot little by little. Boil them for about 5 minutes. Make sure we stir them all the way because we make different sizes of boba, so try one of them. If you feel like it's ready, scoop them out. Don't overcook because they will melt. Leave them in the cold water to make them jiggly and chewy. We boil the rest liquid for a few minutes to evaporate the water and get the thick sugar syrup. Step 6. Pour the syrup on the pearls. You can also use a spoon to smear the wall of the cup to make it even more inviting. Last step. Combine the milk tea as we did in the beginning of the video. Voila, we got the heavenly boba milk tea. Cheers! Check out more videos and follow please.